first DIY, little easy DIY, like anybody can do it. I have these glass vase fillers. They were from the Dollar Tree, $1. Says there's 110 pieces in here. What you could do, get a little jar like this, also from the Dollar Tree. Listen, look at it. Pour these little glass fillers in here. And there you go. You have an arrangement. Y'all see how easy that was? See, that was so simple. But look at it. It looks really pretty and nice. Now, me personally, I would add a little something extra to it. I'm looking on my table because I have like all this stuff. Take a candle and this is for decorative purposes only. Do not burn this candle while it's sitting in this vase with all of this styrofoam. So for decorative purposes, I just took the little candle and I sat it in the vase. If you don't want to do this whole little candle ensemble in the bowl, that is completely okay. You can leave it without the candle. You can just take the candle out, and here you just have these nice decorative glitter balls in this jar. If you wanted to spruce it up a bit and you like the look of this jar without the candle, what we could do is take our florals here, and you see how with most florals, there's like the stem, and then there's this little whole piece and it just slides on there. So you can easily slide the flower off of the stem and place it in the jar. And I actually like how this looks as well. So it looks like, it reminds me of those floating candles that have the water or the jelly at the bottom and the candle at the top, but there's just one single flower up here. So this is a very pretty centerpiece. You could put this in your bathroom. So from the top, you see this pretty flower, and then the side, you have these nice little multicolor glitter balls. Okay, so my next simple DIY that you can do is take a tall vase and pour, these glitter balls, they actually come in, I think, orange and brown or green and orange. Get both or get them all. Get all the color schemes that you want. I just like these. These stood out to me. I have the other ones as well. But anyway, you could take your glitter balls, pour them into your vase. And you don't have to pour all of them because we still need some space for our stems to stick in. Now, these are decorative pumpkin picks. And I love them. They're so cute because they're like, they are pumpkins on a pick or pumpkins on the stick. These will go very well in any flower arrangement that you're working on. I just have this natural tone, but they also had them in glitter pumpkins, and I did get those as well. But let's get some contrast going. So we're just freestyling this. I haven't planned this out. I just do what I like. I'm going to stick a few flowers. Let's see. What do we have? Well, let's take the tags off first. Let's start with that. Look, y'all, this is so easy. You see this? I'm taking one pick, and actually, let me use the orange. I'm taking one pick of the flowers. This was $1. The vase is $1 at the Dollar Tree. These glitter balls are $1 at the Dollar Tree. These pumpkins on a stick are $1. So altogether is $1, $2, $3, $4 for an arrangement like this. But actually, there's more pumpkin picks. So anyway, for $4, we take these, We're just gonna stick them down in there. And it's good that these glitter balls are made out of styrofoam, so they hold your arrangement in place. Now what I'm going to do is spread the flowers out just so that we have more space. You know, you just don't want them sticking straight up. That's not an arrangement. Now we're gonna take the little pumpkin. And I did them at varying heights. See that? And if you wanted to, you can even add, I don't want it to be busy. So let's see how does that look? How does that look in there? Oh, that looks really nice, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna spread these little mulberry, I'm assuming they're mulberry berries. I'm gonna spread those out, and I'm just arranging it so that everything is not all cluttered together and everything has this little time to shine. And you see my nice little, I have 2 little pumpkins, and I don't want it to be too, let me see. 3 is my favorite number. So let's see. Okay, I added another one. Okay. Because when you're doing an arrangement, you want it to have a 365-degree view. So you want it to look nice from all angles. You don't just want to like do stuff face forward so you can only see the front of it, because if it's on a coffee table or something, you know, you see all sides. It's a centerpiece. Look at that. Y'all, that took me like 45 seconds. Look at this arrangement. This is very nice. Look at that arrangement. So it looks like you took way more time than you did. All it took was $4.45 to, well, $5 because I added this little stem. So altogether, this is about a $5 arrangement. And it looks like you really took your time and did this. It's really nice.